We can now go live to Luis Moreno-Ocampo at The Hague. Mr. Moreno-Ocampo, thank you very much for taking the time to speak to us. You say the investigation is going to be focusing on the allegations of rapes, although many organizations have said that this could be unfounded. How are you expecting to pursue this?
We plan to keep investigating the rapes, which is complicated because even some victims don't like to talk about that. So we'll see how far we can go. But the issue now is to implement the arrest warrant. That's the real issue. The real issue is time to arrest Gaddafi, SAIF al-Islam Gaddafi and al-Sanusi. That will stop the crimes. That will stop the rapes.
Okay, let's go back to the issue of Gaddafi. One must question the timing of all of this. Issuing an arrest warrant for Gaddafi and his son means that all diplomatic means are taken off the table, seeing that these are wanted men and a ceasefire cannot be negotiated. Why do this now?
No, on the contrary. Negotiations are required now, but negotiations should respect, first, the Security Council decision to do justice in Libya. Second, the court decision that Gaddafi, his son, and al-Sanusi should be arrested. Then you need a creative negotiation, solving the problem, stopping the crimes, obviously.
How are you planning to pursue Gaddafi? If you look at examples of Omar al-Bashir, who has been on the run for 2 years, Gaddafi would have the same outlets, given that there are many African nations that would give him a safe haven that are not signatories to the ICC, including possibly the US.
My mandate is to end impunity in order to prevent future crimes. So stopping the crime is the absolute priority of my office. Stopping the crimes could have different ways. Arresting him is the best option. If he escaped, is a good option too. Then we'll arrest him, but we stop the crimes. So letting him go to a place where he cannot commit more crimes is the first step in the right direction.
So how do you plan to arrest him? What is your strategy at the moment?
No, it's not, I'm not in charge of arresting. I was in charge of investigating, but then the states are in charge of arresting. In accordance with Security Council resolution, the primary responsibility is Libya. Libya is a member of the UN, so they should arrest him. The first option is his Gaddafi inner circle. They had to make a decision. No future with Gaddafi. If they continue committing crimes with Gaddafi, will go to jail. Alternatively, arrest Gaddafi and then go to a different scenario in agreement with the other Libyan people. So inner circle is the first option. Second option is the opposition leaders. They are coming to The Hague to inform us that they will implement their warrant. So that is the alternative, the second plan. But they are responsible.
Luis Moreno-Ocampo, we do appreciate the time you've taken to speak to us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.